Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for following us as usual. I want to begin by thanking everybody who has been following us all the way from Zanzibar to Western Uganda and recently to Nairobi. Those who have stood with us, thank you so much. We just ask you to continue supporting us, supporting Flex Hope, because the Lord is taking us far and He needs you to get involved in spreading that hope. And to those who are here for the first time, I just ask you to like, comment, and share the video, and visit our Facebook page, Flex Hope, and see a way how you can partner and get involved in our ministry, because the Lord is sending us to nations, to all the young people and elderly people, to spread the hope. But we need your support in so many of the things that we are going to be doing. So if you have a minute, please have a seat. I really want to talk to you. If you're going through a big decision to make in life and you're having some trouble, I want to speak to you for a few minutes. How do you know if you made your decisions based off on your brain and your mind, or if you made your decisions based off of your heart and spirit? You know, it's great to make your decisions based on your heart and spirit. You know, even God Himself, when He's speaking to us, He speaks to us through the spirit, not the brain. So if you want to make a decision, it's okay to use your brain for a few maths and a few calculations. But when it comes to the actual decision that you're going through, it's okay to calm down and evaluate and use your heart and spirit to make the decision. A lot of people want to make their decisions based on the mind and what their brain can comprehend to and what their brain can calculate to, and from external environment, what people talk to them about. You know, if they want to make a big decision, they might ask people around them, and if 40 people tell them yes, they might, and maybe 20 tell them no, they might take the highest percentage of 40 people to make a decision instead of coming down in their heart, in their spirit, to get the right decision. So in that confusion, so many people get in dilemma in making a big decision, and they end up being confused. And I was there the last 2 months. I was going through a big decision to make in life, but I used my spirit. That's the only way how I made the right decision. But as you're choosing to make a decision and you finally follow your spirit, does the decision glorify God and puts your life forward and brings chances for future possibilities and maybe making your life better? Then the answer is yes. Such a decision, go ahead and do that decision, no matter how difficult that decision might be. Even if it leaves you ashamed and ununderstandable, go ahead and do the decision. But if you follow your heart and you see you want to make the decision in your heart, and you see that if you make that decision, it's not going to glorify God, it's going to put your life down, and it's not going to leave you any chances of future progress in the future, the answer is no. Don't do that decision, no matter how simple the decision might be and no matter how easy the decision might be. Remember, in the end, after deciding to make that decision, whether the decision is uplifting or it's putting you down, every decision you make in life, it's going to have short and long-term consequences or impacts. And no matter what, if you choose to make a hurtful decision, that means a decision based on your heart and what the Spirit says. Go ahead and do that decision, even if it leaves you terrified and ashamed and confused and understandable. Go ahead and do the decision anyways, because it is in doing that decision where God is leading your spirit. That's where the good life is, because you're not just doing what your mind tells you, but you're doing what the Lord leads you to do in your spirit. And if you continue to do that, it's where you are going to get a blessing. It's where you're going to see things move forward, because you're not just doing what feels easy at the moment, but it's because you're doing what the Lord is speaking to you in your heart. So I hope this video was very helpful to my brothers and sisters. who are struggling to make a decision. In summary, if you are choosing to make a decision, see that the decision glorifies God and it puts chances for growth in the future and makes your life better. That's a yes to any decision in life. But if you see your heart and spirit do not agree to the decision is not going to glorify God, it puts you down. Don't do the decision, no matter how easy the decision will be. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Hello, our YouTube viewers. Thanks for supporting us and viewing our videos. Please continue to share and subscribe and view more of the latest. Thanks.